Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a SpinetiX DiVA Player digital signage player and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons basically. The first one is troubleshooting. If this player is not connecting or not pairing or syncing with your devices or your signs, or if it seems to be not connecting or not responding or lagging, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, especially if you've tried a restart and everything like that. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're trying to set it up as just a new device coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do this really simply. All we need to do is we're going to go ahead and unplug the device from power. And then with it unplugged from power, we're going to come in and press the power or the blue button on it basically. We're going to press and hold the blue button. And while pressing and holding that blue button, we can go ahead and plug the device back into power. And we're just going to keep on holding that button for about 10 to 15 seconds after having it plugged into the power until we see this SYS light start to blink green rapidly. Once that happens, we can let go of the button and just wait for the player to finish its thing. And when it's done, it's going to actually reboot. And when it reboots, it should come back on with the system light blinking green more slowly. And basically it's in setup mode and it's ready to be set up as a new device.